i35equipment.com. This is the New Holland C185 tracked compact loader skid steer. Does have the rubber tracks. Tracks are excellent. Super boom edition. Runs and operates great. Local one owner machine. Ready to go to work for you today. It is hand and foot control. See, it's got the two working work lights up there on the front. Welcome you to come look at her for yourself. Bring your mechanic and operator. Or you can hire some local ones to come to you if you prefer. It is shown by appointment only though, so please give us a call to get on the calendar. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. Delivery is available to your farm or job site. Just fill out the form on our website or send us an email with your full delivery address. Be happy to look into that for you. Also has the rear working work light on it. Gonna take a look at the undercarriage and let him climb out. Currently sitting at 2894.6 hours. As always, you see our full and up-to-date inventory online at www.i35equipment.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.